Everyone and their mom is talking about using AI in order to make money online. Can AI actually build a business that makes $1,000 per day? Today, your boy is going to test that by building a 3-step system that anybody can set up, including your mom. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, so please make sure that you follow along very closely. I'm going to show you what to ask AI. I'm going to show you how to build the 3-step system. Within that 3-step system, I'm going to reveal why this step is my favorite, because I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 commissions. I'm going to show you how to build the funnel and how to use AI in order to generate your content for free organic traffic. If you're new here, I hope you already realize that I'm here for no fluff, no BS type stuff, and I'm here to help you put money in your pocket. Smash that subscribe button, follow along, help me get 10,000 subscribers, baby. Watch this all the way to the end. I got something special for you. Step number 1, let's ask AI some questions. For me, I've tried many different platforms. I would like to start here. Let's go ask ChatGPT something. Let's ask, hey, Chatty. I think that's what Gary Vee calls ChatGPT. How can somebody build an online business that makes $1,000 as fast as possible? Typing that in, it's really amazing to watch this whole platform go to work. And to no surprise, well, I'm surprised but not surprised, the answer is really simple. One of the answers involves selling something that already works, using a scalable model, and then focusing on traffic and conversions. This is what I teach you in all of my stuff. I know that if you take my videos seriously, you should be able to easily make at least $1,000 per month. And this video is no different. All right, we asked ChatGPT the question. It gave us some options. It spit a response. So now let me reveal the simple 1K per day system. This is going to be a 3-part funnel. Some of you have seen this already, but this is what a lot of people who have had success continuously use, and you see it all the time. You just don't think it's going to work for you. Well, it's time to change all of that, because I'm telling you from experience, this works. And if you do this, you will get success. Step 1, build a landing page. This is boring, but you're not doing it. I need to see some action. What I need you to do is just create a very simple landing page. Nothing crazy, nothing complex. You don't got to worry about 50 million colors or a professional designer. We just need to collect some emails. This is where you offer something for free, something of value for free, like my affiliate marketing starter kit, which you could go ahead and download in the description below, which shows you how to use free content in order to grow your business online. It's a checklist. It has steps for you to go through, and it's designed for beginners to generate your first commissions in 7 days. You can create something like this, as simple as a PDF, or maybe even a quick 5-minute video of you teaching something very, very valuable to your audience. This is what's called a lead magnet. That's the first part of the 3-part system. If you have a lead magnet, I want you to go ahead and drop your lead magnet down in the comments below. We can check each other's lead magnets out. We can give comments and critique it, or you may find something that will help you out from somebody else's lead magnet. Step number 2, you're going to create a thank you page. Some people call it a bridge page, whatever. It's the next step after the landing page. Somebody opts into your offer. Now on the next page, you thank them for taking you up on your offer. You introduce the opportunity of something else of higher value. You provide text. You talk about the benefits and the advantage of this opportunity. I like to provide video. I like to talk and have people see my face on the thank you page, thanking them and telling them that their next steps is to go to the email to download my free whatever. I also send people over to my free community so that they can ask questions. You get access to me without having to pay my one-on-one fee. And that's also down in the description if you want access to that. So now you have your thank you page. Step number 3 within this part is your affiliate offer. Your affiliate offer, I teach affiliate marketing, is going to be that higher value that you're providing on this thank you page. Essentially, you are pre-selling your affiliate offer on your thank you page. You're talking a little bit about your life. You're talking a little bit of the benefits and everything of this higher value product, which is to solve the solution of somebody else's problem. But the difference is I like to promote high ticket value courses or resources or services. And in this case, it brings me $1,000 every time I make a sale. In my case, I'm promoting a program called POP. It gives me $1,000 commissions, 100%. I love promoting it because it changes my life every time I make a sale. You do have to purchase the program in order to promote it, but this is an actual community, an actual program which allows you or helps you build an online business regardless of your market or niche. I'm going to leave the link for this program down below because I want you to make $1,000 per sale. And the cool thing is, if you decide to move on and purchase it, I'm inside of the communities and I'm very active, as well as I give you bonuses, a free call with me, and I have a community of my own of those who make this purchase from me. And I do other trainings outside of the program. So lots of bonuses with that. Okay, part 3 of this simple system, we are going to build the funnel. I told you the different steps of the funnel: landing page, thank you page, and the affiliate product. The crazy part is you don't need to code. You don't need to learn how to build all this stuff. Why? Because this is Antonio Carter. I make things simple and easy for you. I want to introduce a tool called System.io to you, and this allows me to build my landing pages and my whole funnel, my emails, all of that stuff. And what's even more crazier is my 3-part system. All you need to do to use the exact same one that I've created is click the link down below in the description, and it will help you create your own System.io account. And all you got to do is download the very same funnel that I just explained to you. You're going to make adjustments to it. You're going to change out the text, maybe delete the video and just put a picture. Some people don't want a picture. However you want to do it, but all you need to do is download it and import it into your account, and it's yours. Use it however the heck you want to for your business. Now, here's where AI really becomes powerful in your business, because that's why you clicked the video, right? That's why you decided to watch this. Once your funnel is built, you're going to need traffic, whether that's free traffic or paid traffic. Has to be one or the other. Gone are the days where your website is built and people just come to your website. I personally use ChatGPT to create ideas. I use ChatGPT to create the script for this video that you're watching right now. It's used for my Threads posts, my TikTok posts, my Facebook posts. I don't just copy and paste, but it does aid me into moving in the right direction so I can create my content. What used to be done in hours is now literally done by the click of a button. And it is not too late. Do it before everybody else is doing it. For example, for my Threads posts, I just say, give me 10 posts about making money online for beginners, for people who are hardworking parents in their 30s and 40s, because that's my target audience. Then it will create posts specifically for that platform that I can create. And what do you know? All I need to do is copy and paste and make some adjustments here and there, and schedule the posts ahead of time. And so for me, I am currently utilizing YouTube, which is my main one. Why? Because when I create the content, I use something called Repurpose.io that allows me to take the video from one platform and it sends it to all of the other platforms. This is the only time in history where we've been able to take one piece of content and use that same content for every single platform. It's free traffic. I send all of that traffic from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all to the same source for traffic in order to go through my funnel. This is how you attract clients, customers, and an audience without spending money on ads. So can I build a business that makes $1,000 per day with AI? The answer is yes. AI gives you the blueprint, but you execute the plan. That is the biggest thing there. You have to execute what's given. So if you want to copy this exact system, number one, I'm going to tell you to go ahead and download my affiliate marketing starter kit like I talked about before, but also go ahead and join the POP community. It's worth every dollar and you get access to $1,000 commissions. And we're talking making a return on your investment in the first 30 to 60 days. This program has made content creators like yourself and myself 6 figures and 7-figure marketers in a year's time or less. I know that you can do the same thing. As I've definitely gotten my commissions from it, which is why I'm promoting it to you right now. I highly recommend it. If you want more hand-holding, like a tutorial of how I use AI in order to generate stuff, content, and results for my business, I'm going to ask you to watch this video right here. Watch this video right here. It's really good. You need to do that next. Ask me questions in the comments. Let me know what you're doing, what's worked and what's not worked for you. Check out the links down in the description. And also, I'd love to see you in my free community. Let's squabble. See you guys in the next video.